show me a blue line, and that's representing where I'm beginning my elevation from, so where my cut plane is. This dashed blue line is representing the extent, or the far cliff offset, how far am I viewing, basically. So we always, in our overall elevation, we want to view the entirety of our building, so we want to make sure we're viewing everything, which is why you always make sure that this line is sort of encapsulating the entirety of your building. But a few of you have had questions about this idea of how we've created orthogonal elevations. However, they're not parallel to our angled walls. So, for example, if I had an opening, for example, I place a window here in the wall. So, for example, in my orthogonal elevation here, I'm viewing this window, my perceived window width, as basically this width here, right? So because I've created an orthogonal elevation, this is basically, I'm viewing in elevation, my window will appear to be this width here. However, if I created a new elevation using under the view ribbon and clicked on elevation, notice that now we have a new elevation marker popping up. Whenever I hover over a wall, it'll automatically align itself to that wall. So now this elevation is going to be parallel to my wall here. So if I click here, and now I hit escape on the keyboard because I'm finished creating my elevation. Now, if I were to then go to this elevation view, right click on the elevation head, it's also created a new elevation tab here as well, you can see. Now we have sort of a true elevation of that wall. But note that now that we have a true elevation of the wall, now if I were to measure the width of that window in this particular elevation, now you'll see we have it like an actual window width of 890, but over here in our orthogonal elevation we have a perceived window width as 840. So you will find moments where you have overall building elevations when you have walls on angles where in elevation, your window might appear to be like 200 or 300 millimeters wide given the angle that it's taken on. So you might find in moving forward in your project that you may want to create some parallel elevations, sort of if you want to